So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and yes, it's another wig unboxing and try on. So this one of course is from UNice Hair, and I'm excited about this one, you guys. Let's jump right into it. Of course, we have the wig in here. Also, I got a headband and of course wig caps. You can never have too much of these, and I'm loving these. So let's talk about the wig. In here is the wig, and the wig is it's a 14-inch and it's a body wave headband wig. And I know I've done similar types of wigs like this before, but oh, another headband. So I got another headband in here. Okay, I see you, UNice. And took that mesh off, and let's take this off. And here we are. Here is my new girl. You guys, this quality is grade A. Listen. And when I say I'm excited about this is what I'm telling you, I'm excited about this. This quality is everything. Look at the quality, you guys. You can see, like, there's the ends, they're not stringy. They flow right in place. They're not out of place. The right length. And of course it's 14-inch, but it doesn't like 14-inch because, like I've always said in previous videos, like curly hairs, they, of course, because of the curl pattern, they shrink because of the curls. But you guys, the quality of this is so good. The texture so soft, so nice. Look how natural this is looking, you guys. I am loving this. I am definitely loving this. I am indeed loving this wig. And of course you already know how the headband wigs come, but of course there's a comb here, there's one comb here, there's one right here, there's one right here, and another one in the back. And you do have the ends where you have the little tape here, so you have that. And on the opposite end, you also have that. So, you guys, I'm not going to be talking too much about this. I'm going to be putting this on, and I'm going to show you how I will be styling this for my purpose. And I'm excited because I love that it's a curly, and I'm loving curly hair. It's okay, you guys? So, let's jump right into the next slide. So, guys, we're going to go ahead now and put our wig on. Of course, they're all over the place. They are not like how I left them, but it's okay. Is the right length. I like that it just fall right there on my shoulders. It fits great. I am just loving, like, how easy is this? This is the most easiest thing ever. Like, you put it on and you go. Not a lot of work, you guys. This is so cute, so cute. I am just gonna go ahead and add my headband to this. And I mean, I can add my headband, and I do not necessarily need to add my headband, so it's all up to me, of course. And this is it in its natural stage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures right here. So this is a leave-in conditioner cream, and I love to use this in my curly hairs only because I love the definition that I get from them. So I did dilute it. Normally what I do, I separate it and I leave half in here and put half in another bottle, and then I add water, and then I dilute, and then voila. So I'm gonna start off with small portions, and I'm just gonna do this side first. So it's very creamy, it smells really amazing. Like, I don't need a lot. See that? I'll mostly put it on the ends, you guys. And you can see the definition in the curls coming through. For sure. For sure, for sure. You definitely see the definition in these curls. Like, hello. Hello. You see that, you guys? I am loving these curls. They also look so natural. Like, you know, like I just laid my edges back and put out a headband on and I'm wearing my curls. Like, who can tell that this is not all me, right? Like, who can tell? And I just love how this leave-in conditioner from Garnier, you know, sleek the curls and make them look, leave them looking oh so natural, oh so nice. You guys, I am loving this. Loving this look, you guys. Ah! I just love what curls do to me. I can't tell you. Like, oh my God. These curls are everything. I don't even want to put the headband on because right now it's giving me a whole lot of niceness. It's giving me a whole lot of, lot of yes. I can't get one of these in a in longer length. I'm loving this, you guys. I am absolutely loving this. Loving this. So let's try the headband on with this. Listen, when you talk about quality here, when you talk about no shed, shed where? Okay, UNice. Okay, see, I knew there's a reason why I loved this hair company. Like, I always knew there was a reason. Like, I only buy quality stuff. And when I tell you, you guys, before I even receive this hair from UNice, I normally purchase hair from this company for myself. Like, I spend my money because I like quality. This is quality hair. This is quality hair. And of course, I did a previous review with one of their other wigs before, and I will link it in this one. So if you guys want to go and check them out, you can. I also will link in for a coupon code in the description, you guys, so you guys can check them out. You guys, I can't get over how soft this hair is. I've never worn curly hair from them before. This is no different. The quality on this is everything. I just like everything about this. It's the right density. It's the right everything. I am absolutely loving this. UNice. Okay, we can talk. We can talk, UNice. We definitely can talk. You guys, I will link all the information for this wig in the description. This wig you can purchase on Amazon for sure. This definitely came from their Amazon website. I will leave all the information in the description to purchase on Amazon. If you're purchasing from the website itself, I will leave a promo code for you down there as well. You guys, I am loving this unit. This unit is everything. I'm absolutely loving this. This is definitely a unit that I will definitely wear on the regular. Like, listen, if you're having a Zoom meeting and your hair is a whole mess, listen, grab a headband wig, sweep that hair back, voila. That's you. You're all set. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting. I do appreciate the love. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.